This is a quick video to show you how I make my forests. This is the result of the trees I make. Here's another example. I make my trees from dollar store round toothpicks that are very cheap. First, I make a mixture of 70% alcohol with a few drops of ink in it to color the trunks. I dip them in and then let them soak for a little bit, and when I feel they've soaked up enough of the ink, I pull them out with a pair of tweezers. And then I'll poke them in some foam to dry. And after they are dry, I will pull them out, set them on a piece of foam to use as a handle, and begin to make my trees. I use Woodland Scenics clump foliage, which I just pick apart. Comes in clumps, obviously. I just pick it apart into all different size little pieces. Put them on a little plastic lid here so I can get at them easily, and I'll make lots of those and then go about making my trees. First, I will take my toothpick and I will coat it with glue. I like to use Crafter's Pick tacky glue, that way the foliage doesn't fall off. It sticks to it pretty good. I'll coat the toothpick completely. And then I will put on the foliage. I like to keep it upside down in the thing to keep the glue in the tip. Then I will take my clump foliage and simply stick it to the glue all around the tree trunk. And the tacky glue holds it quite well. Putting the larger pieces on the bottom and the smaller pieces up on the top, and it makes quite a convincing tree. And you can make them as thick as you want, as bushy as you want, or as sparse as you want, and then set it aside to dry. Some people will say that those trees are too small for their scale, but I use the bamboo skewers to make taller ones, or you can make your own tree trunks. I make them out of cedar, which you can just break off. They're tapered already, and you can just sand them round, carve them till they look like a tree trunk if you want taller ones. After the trees have dried, to plant them, you simply pick them up, poke them in, put a little bit of glue on, poke them into your scenery, your styrofoam, and they're quite resilient to handling. They don't fall all apart because the glue holds really well. It dries clear. Just goes on white, dries clear, and there you have it.